Do you want to break away from your exhausting and stereotypical city life? Or do you simply seek for thrill and adventure? Come and visit a place with a rejuvenating touch of nature and offers a distinct cultural experience. Ladies and gentlemen, unveil what is untold. Discover what is unexplored. Unlock the gateway to the valley, the naturally vibrant Nueva Vizcaya.
Being landlocked in the extensive mountain ranges of Caraballo, Cordillera and Sierra Madre, it has a mysterious charm that awaits you. One can not only enjoy the breathtaking view of the highlands, but you can also hike some of its peaks like Mount Ugu and Mount Pulag. Standing on their plateau makes you feel that you're so close to heaven. Aside from mountain peaks, it has pristine waterfalls that can surely replenish your spirit. It is also believed that there are still waterfalls in the province that remains hidden and untouched. Other nature wonders to be seen are the Kabisaan Cave System and the Salinas Salt Spring. The mystical cave system, which is the fifth longest cave system in the country. The once legendary Salinas Salt Spring is an irony of how a salt spring emerged in this mountainous region.
Nueva Vizcaya is the seat of religious and historical landmarks. The St. Vincent Ferrer Church and the St. Dominic Cathedral, which are some of the oldest in Cagayan Valley. They are not only symbols of faith and conviction, but relics of a proud Christian past preserved for many centuries. Other worth visiting landmarks are the Nueva Vizcaya Provincial Museum, which is the home of centuries-old artifacts, costumes, and artwork. The Nueva Vizcaya Provincial Capital Park, which is landscaped with lush greens and also known as the Luneta of the North. The Alcea Rizal Shrine, which is one of the biggest in the country. The historical landmarks in the province are the Kirang Pass and Dalton Pass, which commemorate the bloody fighting during the World War II. The province also prides itself of its unique cultural features. The Isinay, Gaddang, Bugkalot, Ifugao are the original inhabitants of the province that upholds their resilient culture.
Aside from those attractions, Nueva Vizcaya prouds itself of having a wide array of local products, fresh crops and vegetables, finest processed foods, intricate wood crafts and souvenirs, and alluring cut flowers, or one may experience the taste of exotic dishes. It also celebrates the annual Grand Amungan Festival, which means gathering of the diverse ethno-linguistic groups, conglomeration of the indigenous people in Nueva Vizcaya, a quest for a common identity as Tribu Vizcayano.
This once obscure province evolved into one of the prestigious destinations. This is a speck of paradise and a spectacle of culture and heritage that awaits you. This is the naturally vibrant Nueva Vizcaya.